Hi guys, today let's discuss DEX and signal features. Also, we'll check the current price action and analysis for SACHI. And again, this video is a global discussion. If you want to update the current subtitle, turn on the closed captions and then settings and select your preferred language, guys. So today let's discuss this SACHI price action. So we already discussed this one and the signal features dito nga kay DEX. So dito sa may signal, ayan sa taas, makikita natin dito yung smart money, influencers, and yung mga whales, no? So we can also sort, like for example, yung whales lang. So tanggalin natin yung influencers and then smart money. So ito yung mga available na selected for the whales executions, no? So on my end, I enable as well the smart money and the whales, no? So dito guys, I'll just want to share some insights lang and to answer the questions, no? So bago tayo dito magsimula, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na ito, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn on the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel, guys, no? I just want to share my experience dito dahil we have some insights, ideas, and questions, feedbacks from the community, no? So sasagutin lang natin yung mga katanungan dito and hope you get some insights dito, guys, no? Feel free to comment lang and magawa natin ng topic dito sa ating YouTube channel, no? So ngayon ay naka-enable na nga itong smart money and whales, no? So isa sa mga criteria ko dito is yung gold type na 24-hour heat map, no? So like for example, we have this one and then gems of the day. So this option is smart money and whales, no? So let's check, like for example, itong Craig. Ayan. So ito yung price action. Isa sa mga ginagamit natin dito, guys, na indicators, like we can add indicators na, ayan, no? Is that itong EMA 50. Ayan, no? Ginamit na rin natin ito sa kay SACHI, which is this one. Ayan. We discussed this for the past couple of days dito sa ating YouTube channel. We gain profits dito sa isang burner wallet natin na 30 USDT dahil binenta ko siya sa may resistance, no, dito. Ayan. So after I sell that, I'm waiting for a retracement dito. Umangat pa yung price action dahil nabasag itong zone na ito, guys, no. So ngayon, sa pag-add naman ng EMA 50, like for example dito kay Craig. Ayan. Again, guys, no, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, for educational, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito and please be mindful na yung sa DEX, yung mga coins, newly listed coins, is that yes, we have this, we can see some opportunity, pero there's a risk pa rin dito, guys, no? Please be mindful and please be aware of that, no? So ngayon, ito yung pinaka chart patterns and nakita nga natin ito sa may signal tab dito, and then we just sort the smart money and whales, no? So nandito siya sa my gems of the day and we just select itong Craig and Honest. We just cross validate. So like for example this Craig, no? Ayan. So for this one, EMA 50 is already respected, like for example ito. And then the price action is going up, guys, no? So as per checking din dito, other criteria, paid on DEX screener, volume surging, and smart money buy, and dev sell all, no? So yan yung mga criteria natin na hinahanap sa isang meme coins, checking meme coins dito. And ito yung pinaka-Twitter din niya, meron na rin siyang pinaka-Twitter dito, current market cap. Makikita natin dito sa area na ito, no, which is 474.58k. and then sa price we can select as well. Ayan. So ito yung current price niya. Ayan. Makikita natin dito sa gilid if ever na market cap, select lang natin itong market cap. Ayan. So additional features ito for validations. And also, guys, you need to study pa rin yung mga patterns dito. It's very important. Yung timing as well, guys. And for me, understand the market context, if it's trending or raging ba yung like For example, this one. So, set your own risk din dito. Wag copy-paste. Copy and learn dapat, no? So, always ask yourself, like, for example, if I take same trade, do I accept the same risk, no? So, pwede ka pa rin maging emotional dito, no? Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, meron pa rin risk dito. There's an opportunity, but again, there's a risk dito, guys. So, rug pulls and contract address issues if ever man magkaroon ng exploit dito, no? So, hope you get some insights dito. And sa mga nagtatanong, hope you get some ideas dito, other features that you can check, like gems of the day, silver gems, bronze gems, and gold gems na andyan. So, yeah. And for Sachi naman, ayan. So, 50 EMA yung nakalagay dito sa kanyang chart for validations. And good thing dito, nakikita mo na yung pinaka-price action and other chart patterns nga dito, no? So, just discuss this. Triple bottom. Ayan, pinaka-support zone. And other tips pa dito, guys, like for example, if malower yung pinaka-fees, you can go to referral lang dito sa referral tab. So dito, and you can add yung Crypto Fortune, no, for a 10% discount dito. And then you just need to confirm lang. Confirm, and mag-apply na yung 10% off dito sa inyong pinaka-account sa DEX, no. So mas malo-lower yung pinaka-executions and yung pinaka-fees dito nga, guys, no. So you can just go dito sa may referral tab, apply yung pinaka-code na Crypto Fortune for 10% off sa trading fees, no. So yun, hope you get some insights, updates dito sa video natin today. Kung meron pa kayong mga questions, guys, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.